shiny, but not shiny.
All right, so here we go. Headed a little behind the scenes. Where'd she go? So we made it to Signal Hill Park. We're gonna be shooting the content here. So we're shooting a Valentine's Day promo for a brand. So we got the little picnic set up.
We just finished shooting a picnic scene. It is for a Valentine's concept for licorice.com. They are absolutely delicious. They have over 50 flavors to choose from. They have like international flavors, nostalgia, your favorites. This one is peach hearts. We have sour strawberry, Australian red, lots of different flavors. So the goal was to get out here where we had sunlight and some sunset. I would say we made it to the end of sunset, but we're gonna make the videos work.
Didn't you bring an animal home when you was like in the third or fourth grade?
A teacup hamster named Peppercino.
How long did he last in our house?
Without you noticing.
Right, see?
Probably like 3 days. But I had him in a cardboard box and he bit his way out of the box.
She's going to start playing slow pitch softball again. So she's going to be looking for So she's going to be looking for a catcher's glove and everything.
I think we found the glove. Do you need him to reopen it?
Yes.
Go get him real quick. Like, it's rough. This is all for her. So I think we found the glove. So I was actually looking for a catcher's mitt, but I was Googling and it said to use a first base mitt, and that's actually really good. So for one of her teams, she's going to be playing catcher. For the other one, she's going to be playing catcher, third, and first. So we're about to get all the equipment. Stay tuned.
So I just got some red Nike cleats.
Comment down below in the comment section what these shoes remind you of. So we found her cleats. You want to go ahead and show the people what we got? Much bigger selection. She prefers the high ankle, the high top. That helps her ankle. She's a fast runner, so as she rounds the bases, it helps her ankle protection.
What did you get?
No, that's okay.
And then just wear that.
What is he? I smell popcorn. First basement.
Today we're in Bellflower. We're on site at Steelcraft, and we are here with Rachel because Rachel is filming some content.
All right, so I'm doing a talking head. I am filming for Mott and Bow. It is a clothing brand. So I'm filming these jeans as well as this tee. It's a Marcy tee. So I have a couple lines that I gotta get. I got my microphone, I got my light, and I'm trying to get an urban look. So I'm about to get some B-roll before the sun goes down.
So today we're in Los Angeles, California, downtown LA Fashion District. We're gonna be checking out my guy, Gary. He's the owner of Dolce Vita. I've been getting my suits there for probably 20 plus years, but come along with me, help me pick out one, possibly two suits. I know I'm gonna get a navy blue suit. Trying to select something else. Drop down in the comments what color suit I should get. Life is good. Of course. How's everything with you? Everything's good, man. What can I do for y'all? I need a navy blue.
Okay.
Yeah,
And of course we could do dusty blue.
Yep.
Shiny, but not shiny at all. So far away.
got the plum on. Tell me what you think.
I know you don't have that.
We just picked up two suits. We got one navy blue and we got one that's like more of a charcoal gray. My man Gary's been doing this for a while. He's in Turkey right now. Now we're gonna head over to the Red Umbrella and get these things tailored up. don't think so? All right, guys, we are in the heart of the alley. So you're gonna have clothes stores, shoe stores. You're gonna have toys, all kind of watch accessories. You know, wristband stuff, Labubu. Anything you could think of that probably come from China, they have it here. They got the knockoff down here too, so don't forget, they got the fake Gucci, Louis, YSL. There's gonna be sunglasses everywhere. Absolutely not. All right, so our last stop is the last bookstore here in downtown LA. So come with us and check it out. Let's take a quick little tour before we head back home. So today is shooting day. We are home. I just got back from the gym and we're gonna be working on a collaboration with a brand called Couples Table Topics. Questions to start great conversations. This is the couples edition. So we are working with this brand.
Yeah, so we're doing a couples concept. We are doing both husband point of view and wife point of view. So we're gonna just be having some fun. And we are working with Table Topics. It's actually really good cards. So first question, how would our relationship change if we spent 6 months apart?
How would your relationship change? You have to pause that. I have to think. Is it jerky and travel? What of the video? So today we are shooting for a brand called King's Loop. It's a luxury travel brand. So they sent me travel luggage right here. It's really nice. So they sent me the wallet. All right, so here's the wallet. It's got this quick release. It's also got your ID slot right here. And then this is a money clip, the fake money. So put some of the fake money. This is a movie prop money, by the way. So it's got the money clip, your ID holder, some credit card slots. Gonna be shooting content for the wallet and the travel. So the idea is me packing up this bag and heading to the airport. I'm gonna be shooting today at Long Beach Airport, which is like a 5-7 minute drive from. I'm bringing you guys along just like you asked.
All right, so we are filming behind the scenes for a luggage brand. Right now we are packing the luggage, just getting some B-roll.
So we gotta show that this.
At the airport, but the wallet, I'm taking him to my favorite airport. I've filmed here quite a few times. It is the best airport to travel to, fly in and out of, and to film content because it's a very small airport. You can pull right up, you can park, you can walk, you can film at the just all around. It's got the palm trees. It's about to be sunset, so we got that golden hour. We're gonna get that nice lighting for our content. We got that guy looking sharp. So we're filming for a brand, King's Loot. We have a passport wallet, a wallet, and luggage, a carry-on luggage. So we're gonna go get that done. We have quite a bit to do, and we're filming for 11 brands over the next week. So it's a little intense, but grateful nonetheless. And then we're gonna do some talking cards in the car. Again, perfect lighting right now to film in the car. It's not too bright. Yeah, so stay tuned.
Hit that thumb button.
This one?
Yep. Guys, we are on site at the airport. This is my airport fit. I got on a pea coat, a pair of jeans, a sweater.
I'm gonna have you go right through the lighting.
The white curve is for the immediate loading and unloading.
Okay. All right, I need to get one of the handles. I think where we have like this natural light would be really good. So like right here. Okay. Suitcase smoothly beside you, no rush, calm expression. I think I got that, right?
Yeah.
Yo, what's up, my homies? No, cut.
Okay, so can you get out of the frame and then you're gonna walk up and I'm gonna gift it to you. Goodness. Or we can get some in here, so I need you to think of how you want it.
Shoes on, 'cause I can't let them see them toes. No toe shots. I can't go outside. Quiet on the set. Quiet on the set.
So far away it looks solid, but when you get close to it, you can able to appreciate the its own and tone.
Restart.
Huh?
Restart.
What?
Restart.